Alright, today we're going to talk a little bit about filters. Filters with a higher MERV rating, which are your thicker, more expensive filters, are actually bad for your system unless your return size is properly sized for your system. Having the cheaper, thinner air filters are actually better for your system because it allows more airflow to your system. If you have allergies and you have to use the expensive filters, we do recommend that you always call us out, let us come check and make sure that your return size is getting the proper airflow. We can do an airflow inspection for you. It's not that expensive. Call us out and we'll come and check it out for you. Most of the time, you just need to go up maybe a few inches in return size to actually be able to go through a thicker MERV rating filter. Now, as far as changing your filters, we recommend you change your filter every 30 to 60 days, whether it's dirty or clean.